Why does Allah call Himself we in the Quran? The pronoun we is used for a group usually, and in Arabic language and also in other languages. Such a pronoun can be used when an individual is glorifying himself. So the kings, the presidents, the dignitaries, when they issue an order, they say, we decree that such and such ruling should be imposed or implemented on a country or a region, etc. They use the pronoun we as a form of glorification. And this is well known in Arabic, and Allah Azza wa Jal definitely is the most worthy of such glorification. Allah knows best.